Hi, welcome again to my channel. Monica is here. Another day, another OOTD. So yes, oh my god, I already did my daily look. So since nice yung weather outside, so we're gonna go again sa beach. Then I'm gonna wear. So yes, I'm wearing already my so this will be my bikini for today. And then of course my lotion na tayo, moisturizing lotion. And then this will I'm gonna wear for today. So yes. So I think I'm gonna put lotion. Nagbikini na tayo. Yan na yung susuotin natin. And then ito, suotin ko din to. Wait lang. Wait. Ito pala yung susuotin ko na earrings today. I hope dili tugnaw ang tubig sa dagat. And then ito yung magiging top natin. I did na pala nag-lotion na ako sa taas. Oops. Baliktad. Yan. And then dito na naman mag-lotion tayo dito. Moisturizer and argan oil. And then, ito pa yung gagamitin kong palda. Ayan. Done. So, yan yung outfit natin today. And then, this is what I'm gonna use for today. Okay, voila. So, yes, at na yung outfit natin. So, thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on my next video.